Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Shortcuts on your iPad and creating a new shortcut. This is the only built-in way. Give it a clear name so you recognize it on the home screen. Next, use the Action search bar and add the Open App action. This tells the shortcut exactly which app to launch. Once done, tap the action to select the target app from the list. Make sure it's the app you want to shortcut, not a folder or web link. Now configure details. Choose the exact app from the Open App Picker and confirm the selection. Test the shortcut with the play button so you see it launch the right app immediately. This verifies the action before you publish it. When satisfied, tap the Share/Export icon and pick Add to Home Screen. That step converts the shortcut into a tappable home screen icon. Make sure the name and icon look correct because home screen space benefits from concise labels. Finish by customizing the icon and label shown on the home screen. Choose a PNG or take a photo for a clean appearance, then confirm Add. Place the new icon where you want it on the home screen or dock so it's easy to reach. If the shortcut doesn't open the app, check Shortcuts permissions. Open Settings Shortcuts and enable Allow Untrusted Shortcuts if needed, and retry the test. If problems persist, delete and recreate the shortcut from the same Open App action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.